Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while since I posted. I actually did post a video not that long ago, but then for some reason it wouldn't upload. I don't know, YouTube was being weird that day. So today I wanted to talk about bobby pins, and I feel like it's something that everybody uses and it's something that can be kind of frustrating. Like, it just seems so simple, but also at the same time it can get annoying. I don't know if anybody else feels like that. I know I felt like that. So these are just some tips and tricks that I have learned throughout the years that I hope that can benefit you as well, because I find them pretty beneficial. So my first one is bobby pins you need more grip. So like bobby pins are great, I love them, but they're like really smooth, and so they like just kind of, I don't know, in my hair they tend to just fall out. So what I like to do is I grab some texture spray. This is from Sexy Hair. I think this was $9, I want to say. So then I just take my bobby pins and I'll just put them on the counter, and then I'll just spray the bobby pins with it, and then I'll put them in my hair, just because it gives it like more hold on my hair. Also, so that's tip number one. Tip number two, don't open your bobby pins. So, I know everybody goes like this, does this little thing and then puts it in their hair, trying to get more hair in there. No. So what you want to do is just leave it closed, and then this is my third tip, is don't use it like this. Turn it this way so that you have the little ridges that are facing towards your hair. That's what's gonna grip your hair, is if you do that. See, now it's like stuck in my hair. It's gonna grip your hair better if you turn it that way, and then it's safely and secure, just like that. So first one, texture spray. You can use dry shampoo. If you have brown hair like mine, if you have dark hair, I would suggest getting a brown color if you don't want to get texture spray, because texture spray can be kind of expensive. But yeah, I would suggest that, because when dry shampoo, it comes out kind of white sometimes, and then that's just gonna look like lice in your hair, so I don't think that's a good look for anybody. So yeah, texture spray or dry shampoo. I haven't tried hairspray, but if you try hairspray, let me know how it works for you. I just trust texture spray more than hairspray. And then, so use texture spray, don't open it. And then everybody always thinks that like the smooth side goes towards the hair. No, put it towards the ridges so that it actually grips your hair. And that's all I have for you today, guys. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to actually upload this video, and then I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good day. Bye, guys.